A devastating combo of strong winds and unusually high tides at noon brought waves slamming into seaside spots on Tuesday, forcing many to look for shelter. Areas such as the Esplanade were hit hard, with seawater gushing into Medan Renong food court. Customers ran helter-skelter to escape from getting wet and having their belongings washed away, while traders rushed to save their wares on the ground. These incidents lasted less than an hour, but left the area a devastating mess with lots to clean up. Over on the mainland, restaurants in Pantai Bersih also took the brunt of waves crashing into them. Floors caved in at a restaurant, and strong currents were seen slamming into the back of other outlets. The beach in Bagan Ajam nearby, usually popular in the evenings, was similarly bashed by strong waves. Fortunately, no casualties were reported in the incidents. It is said tides rose up to 2.8 meters high at about 12 p.m. It is also expected that tides will reach up to 3 meters for the next 2 days. For safety, visitors are advised to refrain from visiting the jetties and coastal areas during high tides. Penang has been lashed by bad weather over the past 3 days, with trees uprooted in almost 200 areas and flash floods reported in over 70 areas.